Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Alo. Evet, merhaba. Ben 2 lahmacun, bir ayran istiyorum. Çok teşekkür ederim. Bye. Sorry guys, I was just ordering lahmacun and ayran. So, I'm just kidding, come on. Hey, I'm SEDA from TurkishClass101.com and today we'll talk about phone call phrases. I know phone conversations can be intimidating when speaking in another language because you depend on solely your language, because normally we use our hands and body and gestures and we can just show things like that one. You can just know this and that and you can do a lot of things, but on the phone you have to use your language, so it can be intimidating. But don't worry, we'll go through some basic phrases when you speak on the phone. And don't forget, normally if you are talking to your friend, after saying hello you would make a normal conversation, so it's not a phone conversation. Here I will go through more proper, more like business or like bank or things like that, those kind of conversational examples, so you feel more comfortable making those. Okay? The first thing is our hello on the phone is a special word, which is, as you can heard at the beginning, alo, alo, alo, alo, alo, alo. It's probably coming from French, I'm not sure, and there's a myth, I'm not sure how true is that. Graham Bell, when he invented the phone, and his girlfriend, initials of her name's initials made something like alo, so it was a love thing to say alo, things like that. But I'm not sure, check it out and please leave in the comments that if it's true, because I couldn't be sure. But we say alo, alo, alo, alo, alo. And after alo, if you can say the things like, if it's in the morning, alo, günaydın. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Alo, günaydın. Alo, günaydın. Or, let me use my phone. Alo, iyi akşamlar. Alo, iyi akşamlar. Alo, iyi akşamlar. Hello, like good evening. You can add anything you like, and if it's your friend, of course you wouldn't say hello, good morning. You would just say hey, hey Seda, how are you? Hey, alo, naber? Hey Seda, naber? Like that. Naber, like hello, what's up? Now we have cell phones, or even if we have like normal regular phones, we have caller ID. So generally if you call someone, you don't say, you don't introduce yourselves anymore, because I see your name on the phone, and you don't need to say hello, I'm Seda. That would be really weird. The phone conversation ethics are changing because of the technology. But if you are calling a place that doesn't, the person that doesn't know you, of course you need to explain who you are and who you want to talk to. So let's start with our samples. Okay. Alo, merhaba, ben Seda. Kiminle görüşüyorum? Alo, merhaba, ben Seda. Kiminle görüşüyorum? Hello, this is Seda. Whom am I talking to? And I think görüşmek, normally to see each other. It's like not just to see someone, but to see each other. It's interesting that we use that, because normally you talk, you speak, you don't see. At least till the high-tech phones, you don't see. But even if we are just using the phones and we hear our voice, we use the word görüşmek on the phone. Okay, don't forget that. I know it's weird, it doesn't make sense. I don't know who made up that one, but we use it like that. Kiminle görüşüyorum? Who am I talking to? So, alo, Ben Seda. Kiminle görüşüyorum? Okay. This is more proper. So you would say, for example, buyurun, ben Seda. Buyurun, ben Seda. Something like that. Hello, this is Seda. When you say buyurun, normally it means literally here you are, like buyurun. You may see it when you go to a restaurant, they say buyurun. You can use it as welcome, like buyurun, here you are, come. But on the phone, like, hello, this is Seda. Like, buyurun, ben Seda. Okay. Again here, for example, you want to talk to Mr. like Hendricks. I don't know why I thought of that. Mr. Hendricks. You would say, alo. I'm not gonna say Hendricks. I'm gonna say Turkish name. Alo, Özgür Bey ile görüşebilir miyim? Alo, Özgür Bey ile görüşebilir miyim? It's like, hello, can I talk to Mr. Özgür? And there's a detail here. In English, you say Mr., Mrs., Miss, and you use the surname, you use the last name, like you use the last name of the person. But in Turkish, we use hanım for woman, bey for man, and we use it with the first name. For example, I'm Seda Hanım or Özgür Bey. They don't use my surname. If they use my last name, surname, it's very, very, very proper. Very, it's like Sayın Hendricks. I use Hendricks as a last name. Let's keep using it. Sayın Hendricks. It's like an invitation or in a letter, something like that. But normally on the phone you would use hanım or bey. So learn the first name of the person. So, Özgür Bey ile görüşebilir miyim? Again, görüşmek, to see each other. So, may I talk to Mr. Özgür please? Lütfen Özgür Bey ile görüşebilir miyim? Lütfen Özgür Bey ile görüşebilir miyim? That's it. Okay. Daha sonra tekrar arayın. You may hear this a lot. Daha sonra tekrar arayın. Especially when you are calling a service or a bank or I don't know, things like that. You may hear it a lot and it's annoying, I know. Please call again later. Daha sonra lütfen tekrar arayın. Or you can put lütfen at the end, in the beginning or like in the middle. Lütfen daha sonra tekrar arayın. Doesn't matter where to put lütfen. Okay, so you called and you said, you know, your hellos, your name, everything, and the person said, size nasıl yardımcı olabilirim? Size nasıl yardımcı olabilirim? Or you may say it, size nasıl yardımcı olabilirim? How can I help you? How can I help you? Size nasıl yardımcı olabilirim? Okay, this also, you are on the phone and you ask something and the person say, bir dakika bekleyebilir misiniz lütfen? That was fast. Bir dakika bekleyebilir misiniz lütfen? Bir dakika bekleyebilir misiniz lütfen? Bir dakika bekleyebilir misiniz lütfen? Can you hold on a second? Can you hold on a second please? Beklemek, it's literally, can you wait for a minute please? This is literally the translation, but can you hold on a second? Can you wait for a minute? Things like that. Okay. Lütfen hatta kalın, bağlıyorum. Lütfen hatta kalın, bağlıyorum. Please hold on. I forgot. I will get you through. Please hold on. I will get you through. But literally, please stay on the line. I will connect you. Lütfen hatta kalın, bağlıyorum. Okay, this is also important. Beni aramasını söyler misiniz? Beni aramasını söyler misiniz? Beni aramasını söyler misiniz? Would you please tell her or him to call me back? And they may say isminiz, like your, literally it means your name, like what's your name? Just, it's not a question, but it's like your name. But it means that who is calling? İsminiz? SEDA. Teşekkürler. Who is calling? SEDA. Thank you. Something like that. Oh, this is a long one. Alo. TurkishClass101.com'dan SEDA. Ayşe ile görüşebilir miyim lütfen? Alo. TurkishClass101.com'dan SEDA. Ayşe ile görüşebilir miyim lütfen? Hello, this is SEDA from TurkishClass101.com. Can I talk to Ayşe please? Alo, TurkishClass101.com'dan SEDA. Ayşe ile görüşebilir miyim lütfen? And this is, you can use it everywhere. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkürler. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkürler. İyi akşamlar. İyi günler. It's like thank you. Teşekkür ederim. Thank you. İyi günler. Good days. İyi akşamlar. Good evening. Good night. Probably not night because it's not iyi geceler. But good evening. Okay. Okay, normally if it was a proper, like not casual conversation, you would just thank like that. Teşekkür ederim, iyi akşamlar, iyi günler. But if you are talking to your friends, you wouldn't, hang up like, okay, thank you, good night. Not like that, you would just say, okay, I'll talk to you later, see you. You would be more casual. So in Turkish, generally, they would say, okay. If generally man like, okay, tamam abi, görüşürüz, bye. Abi, ağabey, abi normally means brother, but like abi, like bro, okay dude, or something like that, dude, okay, I'll see you later dude, things like that. Tamam abi, görüşürüz. Tamam abi, görüşürüz. Bye. We use bye a lot too. And women may use öptüm, like I kissed you. It doesn't mean kiss. We normally, Turkish people kisses on both cheeks. When we kiss, we really literally kiss. It's not like just patting each other. We kiss on the both cheek. So on the phone, sometimes we say, okay, öptüm canım. Like, okay, I kissed you dear. See you. Öptüm canım. Bye. Öptüm. Bye. I kissed you. Bye. Something like that. And you can say, hadi konuşuruz, kapat. Hadi yine konuşuruz, kapat. Hadi yine konuşuruz, kapat. Okay, we'll talk later. Just hang on. Sen kapat. You hang on. Hayır, sen kapat. You hang on. You hang on. Sen kapat. Sen kapat. This is probably not between friends, but like girlfriend, boyfriend, lovers. You hang up. No, you hang up. Sen kapat. Sen kapat. Sen kapat. Okay. I'm holding it on. Okay guys, that was it. Do you have any questions about phone conversations? Leave them in the comments and help each other again here. And if you want more content like this and PDF files, vocabulary lists, and audio or video files, please visit TurkishClass101.com. We have more content then. And I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Öptüm.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.